Imagine this. You've set up a sleek marketing automation system, AI driven, promising to nurture leads like never before. But instead of a seamless flow, your leads are vanishing into the ether, ghosted by the very system you trusted. It's a painful reality many operators face, and it's time we dissect why this happens and how to prevent it. Let's get one thing straight. AI isn't a magic wand, it's infrastructure. It should underpin your operations, not just decorate them. Automation is meant to be leverage, not a convenience that lets you off the hook. Most businesses misuse AI because they're seduced by the shiny tools and neglect the structural foundation needed for them to function effectively. When you treat AI as a tool rather than a backbone, you're setting yourself up for failure. Here's the first truth: systems should remove human dependency, not increase it. If you're constantly stepping in to fix what your automation breaks, you're not leveraging AI, you're babysitting it. The mental load of managing these systems manually is exhausting. You know it, I know it. It's time to stop holding everything in your head and start trusting your systems. Now consider this: why do AI workflows often drop the ball mid funnel? It's not because the technology is flawed, but because the implementation is. When you don't sequence and integrate correctly, you create failure points. It's like building a house on sand. It looks good until the first storm hits. Real operators understand that the sequence of automation is as crucial as the automation itself. Let's talk about where automation succeeds. Take a company like IVM, which has mastered data driven targeting. They don't just automate, they automate intelligently, building trust in their lead generation. They understand that automation isn't about replacing humans, but enhancing what they do. It's about creating systems that work under pressure, systems that don't buckle when things get tough. Most operators aren't failing due to lack of intelligence or effort. They're failing because they're overwhelmed by the noise, the hype, and the promise of AI that doesn't deliver. The truth is, the problem is structural, not technical. You need operational clarity, not more tools. You need to rethink how AI and automation fit into your business, not how they look in a demo. So, what happens if you ignore this topic for another year? Your business will continue to hemorrhage potential. You'll be stuck in a cycle of manual interventions, decision fatigue, and resentment towards systems that should be your allies. The hidden cost of bad systems is immense, and it's time to face it head on. The call to action is simple: reevaluate your systems. Understand that AI is decision architecture, not just software. Prioritize integration and sequence over shiny new features. And most importantly, build systems that can stand the test of time and pressure. In the end, the goal is to leave you with a lingering sense of recognition and recalibration, to make you rethink how you've been operating and recognize the quiet frustration that's been simmering under the surface. Because once you see the problem clearly, you can't unsee it, and that's where real change begins.